That's Bill. I'm Lisa Clark.
So she's the business side of the business, so to speak?
He fixes things.
I'm just the monkey at the workbench. The business is Eugene Power Tool Repair, and we repair all manners of power tools, construction equipment, and lawn and garden equipment. We've been in business just about 18 years. Me and my brother as kids, we were always tearing our bikes apart and putting them back together and trying to modify them and do that kind of thing. My father was definitely into mechanical type things. He liked working on his own vehicles. And we both helped my dad out in his garage. And then when I went in the Air Force, I tested very high with mechanical aptitude. And so I went into their mechanical field as a jet engine mechanic at 17.
My dad was a carpenter,
Yeah.
contractor here in Eugene, built lots of houses. You drive down the street with him, it would be like, I built that. Built the whole neighborhood. Then I went into the Air Force as a jet engine mechanic also.
We met in New Mexico. We were both stationed at Cannon Air Force Base there. Her family down here lived in Eugene. And we decided to move down here. That's when I started trying to get into the electrical trade, which I was able to do after some time. I was working at job sites and with conversations with people. They discovered I knew how to repair tools. Once they learned I had that experience, they were just willing to kind of, oh, hey, this is broke. See if you can fix it. I'd bring it home to the garage, fix it, and just kind of experiment to see where it could go. And that was around 2003. That's when the business kind of started getting going. Once we outgrew the garage and we had an established location with a storefront, it got so busy at the point I had to make a decision to leave the electrical trade and start the business full-time and just do it full-time only, and never look back.
Our whole atmosphere at the shop is we don't have to stress about things. I want to have a happy day every day. So I'm going to do the best that I can to make it the best for you, and
hopefully they get that vibe when they walk through the door.
Yeah.
Even in the first few seconds. When they do come into a small shop like ours, where it's only a few people working there, you do get maybe a larger level of personal attention than you would at, say, any other box store.
with the longevity of something, you're bound to need to maintenance it or get a part for it, or it breaks and you need to be able to take it somewhere. So it's better to support the local business because they're going to set you up with maintenance. If you need your filters or whatever, they're going to take care of that for you, and they're going to see you.
You get more personalized service.
Yeah, they're going to see you. They're going to remember your name. It really came front and center for me during the pandemic when everybody was ordering everything online and having no personal contact with any of the local businesses. Then something breaks. Then they really came to understand that it is important to buy within your local footprint.
I think we're all pulling in the same direction to a certain goal, which of course is to eliminate waste, push the idea of repair and reuse over buy new. So there's a whole group of people everywhere working towards that goal. And it feels good. It feels good to be part of that. We offer maintenance and repair on portable tools, construction type equipment, lawn and garden equipment. We're also an authorized service center, a warranty service center for many brands of electric power tools such as Milwaukee, Makita, Bosch, where a customer can bring a tool that's still within its warranty period and get it repaired here at no cost to the customer. So just a wide range of equipment they can bring in.